Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade right here on TickMill. First of all, we go to tickmill.com and then you see this page right here. Then we select right here on try a demo. So we click here on try a demo and then he will send us right here to this page. Then from here we select here no, and now we need to fill in all the information right here. But the account setup, I will show you what you need to do because we select right here MT5, account type classic, retail is fine, leverage 1 to 10 is fine. Now you can select right here your virtual deposit like this and then select right here the currency. Then right now we just need to fill in our first name, last name, email address and phone number, and then we can click right there on open demo account. So we will do this real quick. Then we go to our email address and then right here you see that we received the email. And if you want to use this, you see right here our account password, right here our demo account number. And if you select right here trade on web trader, he will send us automatically to the web trader. So right now we need to copy right here our demo account password, paste it right here, connect to account. And there we are, guys. Now you see left in the top TickMill and now we are here on the web trader. So now we can start trading. We also created ourselves a balance of 100,000 US dollars. So now we can start trading with that. So what we're going to do, for example, search right here for Bitcoin to US dollars. And then we select right here new order. Then we can fill in right here how much we want to buy. So 0.01 is fine. We can add a stop loss right here or a take profit if you want to do that. And then after that, it's quite simple. You can select right here on buy by market. Then right now you will find here in the bottom your order. So Bitcoin, the ticket, the time, it's a buy order. Here is the volume, here the price. And then you see right here what your profit is right now. If you want to close this trade, you can click right here on the cross. Click here on I accept these terms and conditions, then do accept. And then right now, if you click on the cross again, you can close it immediately. So be careful after that, because once you click there on the cross, you will close that immediately. Then right here, we have also a lot of painting options because this is a chart, where you can also, paint or, write something down. You can change right here the bars if you want to do that. Now you can change right here the time. You can create a line right here. So let's say if you want to do this, you select there the line and then trend line. And then what you can do is click here and then throw it right there. So let's click right here and then do it to there. And then you can create yourself a trend line. This is exactly in a nutshell what you need to know. And this is how you can demonstrate right here on TickMill. If you have any questions, please comment it down below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.